Hi folks, today I'm out here with my SOTA 20-inch upper with Anderson lower, and we're going to be shooting 100 yards, and what we're going to be using is this American Eagle 55 grain full metal jacket. We're going to do a velocity as well as a patterning check on this ammo to see what you get for your money. So stay tuned and let's get after it. This is American Eagle 55 grain through my SOTA AR upper, the 20-inch one, and I'm going to call this grouping at 4.5 inches. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.